Ka-chow!
What is preventative maintenance? Preventative maintenance is the maintenance that you do on your car at regularly scheduled intervals so that it continues to run the way that it's designed. You can find your maintenance schedule in your owner's manual, and if you don't have that, I'm going to show you how to Google it in this video. Go to your favorite search engine and type in maintenance schedule for your specific vehicle. Based on the search results, find something that's going to fit best. In this case, we were actually able to find the owner's manual itself. In the owner's manual, you're looking for the maintenance section, and then scroll down in the maintenance section to find the maintenance schedule for normal conditions, or if you're in an area where you use your car under severe conditions, you'll scroll down to severe conditions. To read the maintenance schedule, you're looking for either miles or kilometers across the top, and then the little dot indicates that you should do the task that's on the left-hand side. This is a pretty average maintenance schedule for most Hondas. Here's another example. We're going to Google the maintenance schedule for a 2012 Chevy Equinox. The first one that popped up is perfectly fine. And here's the maintenance schedule for the 2012 Equinox. You can actually print this out, and they've included a little bit of extra information on the second page for additional maintenance or care. So this is quite useful. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you find your maintenance schedule.